Do you want to know how to log out of other devices from your Notion account? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of other devices from your Notion account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now on the top left corner of your screen, you're gonna see your username, and right beside it will be a small drop down icon. Tap on it, then go to settings. Under settings, you'll find options like my account, my settings, my notifications, etc. You're gonna have to go ahead and tap on my account, then go ahead and scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll see devices option. There you can see options like log out of all devices, or simply select an account or the device that you want to log out of, then tap on the logout from the right side of the device that you want to log out of, then select logout again. Now tap on close, then you'll see you successfully logged out of your Notion account from other devices. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.